Look at Solana. Congratulations if you watch this channel. I mean, you got, if you were looking for an entry, you got a perfect entry down there. 97.9. You can see that's where that 786 fib. Let me point her out here to you. Right here, this blue line, the 786. Right there is where we expected a bottom to come in. Sure enough, there you go. Alright, so we got the bounce off that area. We got a breakout of this falling wedge. Okay, you can see the blue resistance there, the blue resistance on top, and the breakout. Okay, so Solana looking like it's gonna bounce here. Okay, nothing's guaranteed. I'm not saying it's going to the moon. It's not, you never know with crypto. Okay, you can only look at the charts. And come up with so many conclusions. All right, looks like a bounce. Looks like it's going. Oh, excuse me. Looks like a wave 1 and a wave 2 out of 5 waves up here. So let's take a look at a few things here. Okay, these RSIs and everything else. First, I want to show you the crypto bubbles. Here's for the day. Bitcoin had a little bit of a pullback. Looking like it might bounce, okay? I got to be honest with you. Looking like it might pull up out of here. So we'll show you that here real quick too. First off, I want to give a shout out to the members because these people keep this channel going. All right, they really do. And I think it's important that they get the recognition they deserve. Okay, right from the longest member right up here, Andy, you've been with me 5 months. Thank you, brother. Jason, Trapper, Lib, Ryan, Franny, Noted Trader, 4 months apiece. Will, Falconeer, Benji, Jay, you've been here 3 months. Host Thinking, Will Hammer, you guys have been here a couple months. And then my newest members down here. Thank you so very, very much, guys. I think we got 60 now, and I can't thank you enough. Even some super supporters in here. Where was the first one up here? I don't want to miss you guys because Area, thank you. Rowdy Man, super supporter. Down through here, Jim P, super supporter. Hook Icho, super supporter. And Detroit Custom Painter, super supporter. Thank you, bro. You're one of the main reasons I'm even covering Solana because you were interested in it. That and Bitcoin is your 2 main things, so I want to make sure I cover this for you. And then we had 3 new ones yesterday that joined up. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate it, guys. Like I said, I'm a small YouTuber, and guys, if you want to learn how to trade, I have 8 hours, a level 3 membership for $14.99. 8 hours worth of videos to teach you how to do all this charting. You're not going to find that cheaper anywhere. $15 is a steal, okay? Just to learn how to use the Fibonacci retracement. If someone knocked on my door and wanted to learn how to, I would charge them $100 for my time to sit down and teach them how to do it. That thing alone is worth its weight in gold. All right, so for $15, I have to generate some income. I'm a small YouTuber. For this to be worth my time, I get, 60,000 views a month. You know what that pays me? Like $300. Okay, 60,000 views. I get like $300 for that. All right, so the memberships, they keep the channel going. They really do. If it wasn't for that, it's quite honestly, I can make more just trading on my own. And I do. I really do. I don't miss my trading time. I like the long and short a lot. I use MEXC all the time. I watch for breakouts just like on Solana, and then I go long, and it's pretty easy money once you learn how to do it. And I teach even how to do that. There's a MEXC video in there to teach how to go long and go short. So everything's in there if you're interested, and if you can't afford it now, maybe down the road, but it's worth your $15, guys. You have to learn this stuff. You have to. If you don't, you're going to get killed in this bull run coming up. You'll make a pile of money, everybody does, but keeping it, that's the hard part. That is the part that'll get you. You'll keep thinking it's going to go back up, because you don't know nothing about charts or when a top's coming in or when a RSI tells you to sell. you have to know when to sell. You have to hit that sell button. The two most important things in crypto: knowing when to buy and knowing when to sell. Dead dead to rights. That's it. Okay, if you can get them two down, you'll make a fortune in crypto. You will not work the rest of your life. You'll make a living doing this. Okay, and what more could of a living could you want? Get up in the morning, have your coffee, turn your laptop on, make your couple trades for the day, and go enjoy the rest of your day. You know, that's what life should be. All right, we only get one go around, man. That's it. Okay, I'm not working 9 to 5 the rest of my life, or 7 to 7, or whatever it is. I'm not doing it. Okay, this is the easy way out. If you can learn how to do this stuff, guys, you can do it. All right. So, like I said, if you don't learn from me, go learn from somebody. I paid $400 for my classes. Okay, so $15. That's a steal. It is a literal steal. All right, let's move on here with Solana. Okay, we got the breakout of resistance here. Now, what next? Okay, let's get this fib off here. We bounced perfectly on the 786. If you were looking for an entry, I gave you this a couple days ago. I said, watch for these levels. What do you know? Right, this one, that candle there dipped down to 97.16. Okay, just a hair below our 97.90. But if you would have got that entry right now, you would be tickled to death. Just from there, you know, up to that top was 12.5%, you know. And if you were longing this like I was, you know, you'd be up 120% now. I usually use 10x leverage, so I've already doubled my money off just this one move. All right, let's take a look here. Number one, the 4-hour RSI. Where's it at? All right, it's still bullish at a 70 and a 69. Okay, getting close to flipping over. The 8, just at the bottom, 18, 13, it's bullish heading up. All right, the 12-hour, same story. 8 and a 5, it's bullish heading up. The daily is trying to curve back up. The RSI on the bottom is pointing up. The stochastic is trying to curve up. Okay, look at the stochastic here. You see that curve starting in that? You see the bend? It's trying to turn right back up here. Okay, so the weekly is at an 89 and a 92, just barely bearish, and the 90 is still bullish, or the monthly, I'm sorry, the 90. All right, but usually right here what you see going on is a 1-2. All right, you got your one wave up, your 2 wave back, and sometimes these even, you know, usually you use this Fibonacci retracement on everything. You can use it on 15-minute time frames, 5-minute time frames, whatever you want to use it on. Okay, now if this would pull down any further, you know, these would be your two bounce areas, 100.9 and 102. You know, if this does pull back anymore, and what you'd be looking at here, what I am thinking is going on is a 1-2. We're going to have more than likely 5 waves up here. Hard to say how high they'll go or whatever, but that's what I'll be watching for. Any kind of deeper pullback here, I'd be watching for these areas. A wave 2 can retrace 99% of wave 1, okay? But if it goes lower than wave 1, then it's invalidated. You're not doing 5 waves up, all right? And it doesn't have to pull back any from here, all right? It's had a pullback almost to the 618. It made it to 102.38. 102 is the 618, so that could be good enough, you know? The only thing that makes me wonder is this 4-hour is just dangerously close to going bearish, which could have a little bit of a pullback, which could make these other ones wait up for it, the 8, the 12, and the daily. All them are looking good. I mean, this daily's ready to flip back over. So expecting Solana to take a little bit more of a run here. All right, now, major areas, obviously, let's move that one up. Let's move this up here, because that is a major area of resistance. That's what we ran into there. 110, okay? Roughly 110. Yeah, call it 110 bucks. Any break of 110 bucks, we're going higher. Then we're heading up towards 116. You break the 116, then we're heading up here towards the, let's see here, let's put it on the daily. I like the daily support and resistance areas more. All right, it would be down here, about 120.8. Okay, so watch them areas. We break 110, then we're heading to the 116, break 116, heading to the 120. All right, got very, very, very good support down here. Down here at 97.83, which is a very, very good support area. Shouldn't go that low. Like I said, that 97, that area right there, this low right here, it should not, even if it does pull down there, it should not go lower than that. These usually break out, then they come back and retest. You know, even a retest down there at 101.37. Let me see here. I'm just trying to see. Okay, there's a line through there. Let me just get these support lines through here so we can see. Usually you get a breakout and a retest, okay? That line there is legit. That was support and resistance back over here. And this fib. Right there, okay. That would pull back to a 702 right there at 101. Okay, you could get a pullback to 101 right here. All right, that would be the 702. Okay, very possible. It doesn't have to, but if it does, don't be alarmed. Okay, 101, and then possibly a bounce from there. But anything above 110, all right, this thing's breaking higher. All right, regardless, Solana is looking good. All right, all them bigger RSIs. Boy, I feel bad for the people that sell right here. Look at these guys selling down here. These are the people that don't know how to read charts. Okay, they seen a push up. They did not see a falling wedge. They seen a push up, and they seen a pullback started. They got scared, and they just sold out, which really is a bummer for them. Okay, I don't want to see anybody lose money. You know, that's why you need to learn how to do this stuff. It's just so super important, guys. I mean, the measured move just of this breakout here, you know, is up to the 123, 124 area. So, yeah, I just hate to see that. I really do. You know, for the hourly, you know, yeah, look at these guys. I mean, you just hate to see that. I hate to see it because this was probably a bottom here at that, you know, that 102, 102.66 or whatever it was there. That was probably a bottom, and it's probably going to push up from here. You know, if they knew how to read charts and seen this was a falling wedge, a bullish pattern, you got the breakout. It always comes back and retests. That's just how these things work. Okay, you get your breakout, you get a retest, and then you continue on normally. So hate to see that. All right, thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon. Have a great night, everybody.